In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up your Hostgator email using Cpanel Webmail and walk you through the entire email creation process from start to finish. Whether you are running a business, building a brand, or simply want a more professional way to communicate, having an email address that matches your domain adds credibility and helps you stay organized. So let's get started and make this process as simple as possible. Begin by heading over to the Hostgator website. Open your browser and type in hostgator.com. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner for the Sign In button. Click on it and enter your login credentials. After signing in, you will be taken to your Hostgator dashboard, the central hub where you manage hosting, domains, and of course, email settings. Inside the dashboard, look for the option labeled Professional Email. This is where you'll begin creating and managing your email accounts. Click on Professional Email and the system will prompt you to choose a domain. Your email needs to match your domain name if you want it to look professional. So select the domain you want to use for your new mailbox. Once selected, click Continue to move forward. Next, you will arrive at the email setup screen. Here, you will create the username for your new email address. This is the part that appears before the @ sign. You can enter your first name, last name, or choose a role-based username such as info, support, admin, or contact. Choose something clear and relevant to how you want people to reach you. After typing in your desired username, click Continue again. Hostgator will now generate your new professional email account. Depending on your plan, you may also have the option to create multiple email addresses for different team members or business functions. Once the setup is complete, you can access your new mailbox through Webmail. Simply return to the dashboard, click on Email Accounts, then choose Check Email to open your Webmail inbox. From here, you can send and receive messages right away. You can also customize your inbox by setting up folders, creating filters, adding signatures, or adjusting security settings. If you prefer, Hostgator provides instructions to connect your email to apps like Outlook, Gmail, or Apple Mail so you can manage everything from one place. Setting up a Hostgator email is straightforward, but taking a moment to organize your inbox and add a clean email signature can make your communication feel even more polished. A professional email not only improves trust with clients and customers, but also keeps your business communication centralized and easy to manage. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you set up your Hostgator email with confidence. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more simple and clear website management tutorials.